Hi everyone. Nakakaranas tayo lahat ng pang-insulto mula sa ibang tao. Pero the only thing that insults affect you kapag ka inaccept mo na ikaw yon, kung ano yung sinasabi nila. You believe that it's true. Pero kung kilala mo yung sarili mo, naniniwala ka na hindi ka ganong klaseng tao, yung insult na binibigay nila or sinasabi nila sa'yo, walang epekto sa'yo, walang bearing sa'yo kasi alam mo kung sino ka. As much as possible na sa tingin mo o as much as possible na alam mo sa sarili mo na wala kang ginagawang masama sa ibang tao, don't insult of other people to you, don't affect on you. Usually kasi, given na kapag may nag-insult sa atin, nagagalit tayo, naiinis tayo, nare-retaliate tayo, given talaga yon, lalo na kapag hindi maganda yung sinasabi ng tao. But if you look at it or titignan mo yung mga bagay-bagay, bakit ka nga ba magpapa-apekto dun sa sinasabi niya kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo na hindi ka panipaniwala yung sinasabi niya or kung sino man nag-insulto sa'yo, kasi alam mo hindi ikaw yon. And the mere fact na magpa-affecto ka dun sa sinasabi ng tao na yon, pinaniniwalaan mo yung sinasabi niya tungkol sa'yo. And the only thing na mapoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo is don't be the effect of those issues coming from them. Be the cause of your life. So mas magandang, kasi kapag ka alam mo na hindi ka ganong klaseng tao, walang bearing sa'yo, walang tama sa'yo, walang effect sa'yo. Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, hindi ka maapektuhan, hindi ka masasaktan. Babaliwalain mo lang yan kasi alam mo hindi totoo yun. And para maprotektahan mo yung sarili mo, sabi nga, mas maganda, don't do to others what you don't want to do unto you. Hindi natin maalis, may mga ganong klaseng tao sa paligid natin na gagawa at gagawa ng paraan na makapagsalita sa'yo or makapag-insulto sa'yo. Pero lagi mo lang tatandaan na it's better to zip your mouth. Kasi alam mo, there is someone out there na nakakaalam ng mga totoong nangyayari. So, hindi mo control kung paano sila mag-isip, kung ano yung takbo ng bibig nila. It's out of your control. It's beyond of your control. So, choose to not the effect, be the cost of your life. Kapag causative ka, those negative thoughts coming from other people, 100% you're not affected by it. You're not the effect of what they are saying, kasi you know yourself, you know exactly who you really are. At kung hindi mo naman ginagawa yung mga bagay na yun, why maapektuhan ka? So, hope this simple motivational talk, you learn something. It's better than not wasting any time of thinking or exerting effort to listen or to talk those things, to talk or listen sa mga sinasabi ng mga tao na yun against you, insulto against you. Just smile, look at them and then smile, because alam mo na sa sarili mo wala kang ginagawa. hope this simple motivational talk you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.